Hello YouTube, today I've got a video for you of a tin opening. And sorry that I haven't really been doing tin openings, it's just that I haven't really gone to the shops recently. And this tin is mainly because it was my birthday yesterday, so yeah. So, here's the Rayquaza promo. Oh, and the Pokemon on it, Mewtwo, Rayquaza, obviously, and Darkrai. So, here's the Rayquaza promo card. So, let's go into the side for a sec. Here's the code card. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with these codes. Here we go. I'll be opening the packs in this order. So I'll be opening them in one set. There. So black and white emerging powers, and then 2 dragons exalted. So I'm going to be opening them in that order. So let's get on with it. So okay, so well, that sucks, it didn't come with a code card, but still, at least I get the cards, because I don't really play the online game. So card trick, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I'll reverse them there. So, we have Oshawott, Minccino, Switch Trainer, Timber, Panpour, Super Scoop Up, Buffalant, and Luna. So the hollow reverse is Darmanitan, quite a good card, and our rare is a Zebrastrike. Well, of course it does. Well, it did have Zebrastrike on the front. I think that's Zebrastrike. So yeah. So now for emerging powers, black and white. I'm not really good at pack opening, so yeah. Oh, well, that's weird. It came with a code card. So yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we have Gothita, Sandile, Petilil, Joltik, another Gothita but different, Swaddle, Minccino, and Boulder. Our reverse is Ducklet, and our rare is Pheasant. So, I really hope I get a really good pull with Giratina. Oh well, another code card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we start off with this pack with Gible, Fungus, Diana, Minccino, Bidoof, Vigoroth, Sork, and Gabite. Our reverse is Sigilyph. Quite good. And our rare is Roserade. So, I'm really hoping for an epic card in this last pack out of all of them. So I hope I get a really good pull. Now, here's the other code card. It's weird that the first one didn't come with a code card. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we start off with this pack with Electric, Weasel, Wurmple, Nincada, Gible, Floatzel, Palpitoad, and Tool Scrapper. Now, I hope I get an EX or something. Okay. So, ooh, Hunchcraft. Now, for the final. Oh my god! Yes! Ho-Oh EX full art! Oh my god! Take a full look at that. Oh my god! Look at that Ho-Oh full art EX. This card is not up for trade if you're wondering. This is my only, and I repeat, my only, the only ever full art that I have ever got. I knew there would be something in that Giratina pack. I just knew it. So I got some really good pulls. Just a quick recap of all the cards that I got. I mean, Holo versus and Rares. So we had Honchkrow, Sigilyph, Ducklet, and Darmanitan. The Rares, Ho-Oh, Roserade, and Pheasant, and Zebastron. Ho-Oh is a really rare card. He is so rare, I think. So that was the best tin I've ever got. Take a good look at that. Okay, so, and now for the normal cards, I'll rush through this.